Once again, you have to repeat your sentence.
Lot of change has taken place in their position in the man-dominated society.
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 Yes.
Man make house and women make food.
Yes, sit down, Lakshmi. This is the general belief that man has to make houses. He has to earn money to make houses and give all the privileges to his family, but the woman is mainly made to look after children as well as family and not to do job outside. This is the view of girls. Today here we have a different kind of debate. Whatever would be done in around so many classes, we have a different kind of debate here, as we are here girls speaking against the working woman and boys speaking in favor of the working woman, because we want to see that change that is coming from our society, that how the boys are in favor of working women, how they are contributing their belief in working women. So we are here to speak like this, in favor and disfavor, that is looking quietly different as usual. Neeraj, I want your sentence once more. What did you say? Just time before, yeah.
There are several advantages of female education. They can service as the teacher, law, engineer. Education is one of women in this economy.
Okay, sit down. They are becoming doctors, engineers, he wants to say, and any other boy in favor, as it is your turn. So, how the working women are very important for our society. They are the backbone of some society. Rajesh, are you going to say?
Our society had been a dominated society. Genders are gradually being digested with the necessity of time, absence of joint families, and dependence, making the male observe change, but regressively.
Okay. Our society is changing slowly but steadily, you want to say. As we are having changes, so many changes in our society. So now Rajesh, very good. So Rajesh wants to say that our society is changing slowly but gradually, continuously it is changing day by day. And the women are not only for houses and homes only, they are working outside. They can do whatever a man can do. Even nowadays they have joined BSF, that is Border Security Force. They have to join this force also. Girls, do you agree with boys? Any girl can speak. Yes, Nadula?
Common women times don't allow for careers that include meaningful part-time or flexible schedules, and time of that is measured in hours, but it weeks, months, and even years. So the common women are agree with her parents.
Common woman. She is talking. Sit down, Radla. I am going to interpret your topic. Common woman. Common woman means that is not so enthusiastic, that is not so modern. We are talking about the common woman. Usually in our language we do say them housewives, as they don't have so much aspirations to do this and that. They very well agree with their parents. As we will learn in our next lesson, Santosh Yadav, she was also considered like a common woman, and there was a pressure on her to get married as soon as possible, but she wanted to study. We will read this lesson in next coming days. So, boys, do you agree with them as common women don't want to work outside? You can also change your topic. If you have some another thing to speak, you can speak. Yes, Siva?
With this gradual transition from household life to working women, the suffering from women have been increasing manifold. During ancient days, women have been adored and worshipped as goddesses. Our country itself is called motherland, in utter contrast of the fatherland of the West.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Shivam wants to say that in this matter, our India is very modern from the beginning. As during Vedic period, we have read about it in our history, that during Vedic period, there were women who were worshipped by the people, who were considered like some goddess. So we have very popular belief that women are not dominated by the men. They can do anything, they can go outside, they can work like men. Even in our Indian context, the women are considered like goddess. Okay, now it is the girls' turn and they have to speak in disfavor of working women. Shweta. Shweta wants to say something. Yes, Shweta?
The ongoing debate on the future of the welfare state has been overly observed if the educated women are working compared to 27% in Italy, France, as so conditions then favor or disfavor second and higher order birth and as is.
Very good. She is talking about the foreign countries. There, Shweta, I want your sentence once more repeated. Yes, Shweta?
The ongoing debate on the future of the welfare state has been overly observed with the educated women are working compared to 27% is in Italy, France, as so conditions that favor or disfavor second and higher order
Okay, I
and
got
as
it. Got it. Sit down. Very good. She is talking about the women around the world. The data has come that 27% of women all over the world are working outside. But if we want to get some conclusion that if they are more favored or more disfavored, then we get the result that the women are favored mostly if they are working. There are very few persons who oppose this belief that working woman is not better than the housewife. So now it's boys' turn. Is there any point? Aska, do you want to speak anything? Do you have any point?
The man consider in the work is the self-responsibility of the woman.
One second, repeat your sentence. 1 second.
The man consider the whole work is self-responsibility of the woman.
Sit down. He is telling about the belief of person that working women are very useful for society. Anybody else wants to tell about the working women? Rajkumar, yes?
The problems of a career women are indolent, specular and feeders from a place to place and office to office or person to person.
Very good. Rajkumar wants to say that working women become more practical, they become more acknowledged because they have to visit place to place, person to person, company to company. They come outside their houses and thus they get experience from the society and they become more practical and intelligent. This is Rajkumar's view. The girls, do you want to say anything against it? Some other topic can also be raised here.
By natural law, women can feel that this is a woman world. Man is in charge, man is head of woman and man is head of household and expect to be taken seriously in society.
Well, sit down. Gadla wants to say that in the cases of household, for us, household work, it is considered that this is basically made for women, not for men. They want respect in the society. If they are working in the homes, they feel, mainly the gents, the husbands feel that we are doing something like that. We are not so respectable in the society. They think so. And now we conclude that we get from the both sides so many points to be noted about working women, how they should work or they should not work, what to do. But the conclusion that is coming that a working woman is the need of our society. She is the backbone of our society. If the mother is intelligent, if the mother is well educated and earning member, then she can look after her children very well. She can contribute in the progress of our society. That's all for you. Thank you very much. And now our debate is over.